Arcturians on Earth supporting humanity. Arcturians are highly evolved, benevolent beings from the star system Arcturus. They have been observing Earth for millennia, offering their wisdom and guidance to help us evolve. Their mission is to assist in the spiritual and technological advancement of humanity, promoting peace and enlightenment. Through their advanced understanding of the universe, they aim to elevate human consciousness and foster a deeper connection with the cosmos. Arcturians provide support through various means, including spiritual guidance, healing technologies, and enhancing human consciousness. Their healing technologies are designed to work on both physical and energetic levels, helping to restore balance and harmony within individuals. Arcturians encourage us to seek inner peace, unity, and the awakening of our true potential. They believe that by achieving inner peace, we can collectively raise the vibrational frequency of the planet, leading to a more harmonious existence. Together we can create a better world. By embracing the teachings and technologies of the Arcturians, we can pave the way for a future where humanity thrives in unity and peace. Embrace the Arcturian guidance for a brighter, more harmonious future. Their presence on Earth is a testament to the potential for interstellar collaboration and the boundless possibilities that lie ahead for humanity.